Hi everyone, Angela here. You can use chopsticks, knitting needles, or knives like I have to use as a bow maker. Decide how wide you want the bow to be from side to side and tape the knives in place. Make sure it's nice and strong so they don't move around. I have about 20 inches of 3/4 inch wide ribbon. About 4 inches from the end, hold the ribbon on an angle with the left handle. Wrap the ribbon around the right handle, go straight across underneath, use your index finger to hold in place, then bring the ribbon up and around the left handle and straight across the front. Wrap around the right handle again and go up slightly on an angle around the back so that the ribbon sits a bit higher on the left. Now use your left thumb to hold the ribbon in place. Fold the right side of the ribbon down the center so that there's a 45-degree angle at the top. Bring that end up and around the back and hold in place at the back with your left index finger. There should be an open loop in the center now. Fold the end of the ribbon down and to the left. Keeping the ribbon flat, thread it through the loop and use your thumb to push it through. Pull the end to the right a little bit and notice that nothing's twisted in the center. Use your left hand to hold the center in place, then fold each side of the ribbon in half with the edges together before pulling the center tight. Pull the left end up and the right end down. Then push the center knot up with your left hand while pulling down the right end. The ribbon is folded inwards just beneath the knot. Bring the ends of the ribbon together and cut at the length you'd like. Slide it off the handles, turn it over to the front, and spread the sides open a little bit. On each end, from the inner edge, cut up on an angle towards the outer. It's as simple as that to get a perfect double bow. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, happy sewing!